Good. Chat, what's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. Let me get the volume down here for everybody. All right, chat, how's everybody doing? I just want to make sure we're all looking good before we continue. We're on this mobile setup again. Trying to stream on the go, as always. Let me know, chat. Can you guys see me okay? Are we all good? Let's go. I think we're good. I think we're good, chat. How's everybody doing this morning? How was everybody's weekend? Yo, this is a little bit different today. We're on stream on a Monday, so I'm not used to this. I'm usually grumpy on Monday mornings, trading alone. So this is new. How's everybody doing though? Let's go. Hope all of you had a great weekend. 1 second, chat. All right, we're good. Hope all of you guys had a great weekend. We have a short week this week. Of course, not everybody celebrates Christmas, but it's going to be Christmas on Thursday, I think. So today, tomorrow, you can trade if you want. Most likely, I won't be involved in the market. I mean, listen, if something comes, something comes. I'm only trading futures though, because I'm only going to be scalping intraday trading. CFDs will not be traded this week, and next week. So it'll be futures only this week. And next week, I think same thing, same situation next week. It's Monday and Tuesday only. Wow, that's good. Tyler's in the building. What's good, Ty? Good to see you, bro. Let me touch that head. This guy is insane. But yeah, short week this week, chat. Hope all of you guys are going to have an awesome holidays with the families. Regardless if you're celebrating Christmas or not. It is the holidays, so this is the time to reflect on the year you guys have had, whether that's trading, business, whatever it is. Review it, see what you did well, see what you did wrong, see what you can fix going into the new year. These are all things you want to be doing at the end of the year, right? You want to review what you've done. So that's what I like to do. I like to see what I can change, what I can fix going into the new year. I'm very, very happy with how this year went. Honestly, incredible all over the board. Enjoy your Kwanzaa. Wait, what's Kwanzaa? What am I missing here? Yeah, it's been an incredible year across the board. Trading was great. There's definitely areas I can fix up on. I always can. So with that knowledge, with that awareness, I'm going to take that into the new year, right? There's always going to be things in my trading that I want to tweak, things I want to refine, things I want to get better at. I have weaknesses, right? We all do. But I'm very happy with how my trading went this year. Very happy with my brand, like everything as a whole, my fitness journey, like everything. Like I'm very proud of the work I put in this year. I'm not going to look back at this year with any regret. I got after it and I'm happy about it. So I hope you guys do the same. Reflect on the year. Again, see where you can fix up on going into the new year, man. And then you got to set them goals, right? Obviously, you want to set goals. You want to work hard to achieve these things, whether they're realistic or not. I like to kind of push the boundaries a bit and set some goals that kind of scare you, or scare myself. Because then that makes you want to work, right? Makes you want to work hard. Sir, your system of trading inspires me. Much love, brother. Much love, much love. Hey, Marco, thank you for your valuable content. Of course, bro. Always, always, always. A quick update, actually. By the way, before we get into anything else, this stream is going to be the only CF stream of the week, by the way, chat. We have, again, it's a short week. It's holiday, so no one is streaming the rest of the week. However, However, I believe, one second. I believe on Sunday, and everybody everybody mark this down in their calendars. Listen up. Everybody mark this down in their calendars. I believe Sunday the 28th, Boss Man Riz is going to be on Chart Fanatics Discord, I believe. Maybe running a stream on Discord. I'm not 100% yet, but keep an eye on the date because there is a lot of things going down on the 28th, I believe. Giveaways, okay? Remember, it's holiday season, right? So I believe there's going to be a ton of giveaways. Look, I didn't even notice we're all decorated over here as well. I believe there's going to be a lot of giveaways. So everyone mark this date in your calendar. December 28th. December 28th. Again, I believe it's going to be happening on Discord, but keep an eye on the Discord as a whole. If you're not in there already, ! Discord in the chat. Join up. We run a shit ton of giveaways within the Discord. There's updates on our stream, updates on Chart Fanatics as a whole. So get in there and keep an eye on it. Again, it's going to be Sunday the 28th. Okay, so there's that. Also, my YouTube. I'm going to be posting a lot more YouTube content in the new year. However, nothing new right now. Going to be recording a whole lot of new content in the studio. So leveling up that content as high as possible, as best as possible. We want you on stream, sir, not the giveaways. Are you lying though? Is that the truth? Or am I just here for the giveaways? Are we expecting any training your eyes soon, or will be New Year? New Year, brother. All new content will be in the new year. I'm going to be doing, again, everything in studio. So it's going to be high quality content going forward. I want to level up the content game as much as possible for myself. Hey, Marco, inspired by you. Thanks, Areti. Much love, bro. Wasn't expecting you today. Yeah, it's a Monday, chat, so I know it's a little bit different. We're usually on Tuesdays. The reason being is I can't hop on stream tomorrow. So I told Riz I'd hop on stream today and get a nice stream in before the end of the year today. Yeah, and then again, Wednesday is going to be Wednesday's the 24th, right, chat? Yeah, Wednesday's the 24th. Thursday's the 25th, and then 26th is on Friday. So you guys better not. And listen to me. I don't want no BS. I don't want to be opening the Discord and seeing anybody sending me live charts or sending charts in the Discord. It's Chart Fanatics Discord. No charts on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday unless you're studying or backtesting. If you're looking to take trades on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, man, that's a red flag right there. That's problems. That's problem central. Please do not be taking trades Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, chat. I am doing you a massive favor. If you want to trade, okay? I'm not saying you have to. Today and tomorrow. But even today and tomorrow, I'm telling you right now, these are considered low probable conditions. So I'm hopping on to hang out with you guys, provide you guys as much value as possible. And yes, sure, if there's a beautiful trade, timing is great. We can catch a little in and out. Sure, we'll catch it. But yeah, don't expect too much. And that's something, I just read this on Discord. I don't remember who posted it. But it's actually very important. Your approach to the charts when you initially hop on is actually so important. Because if your perspective is you hop on and you have that perspective of, oh, the chart deserves to give me a trade opportunity, or I need to trade today, right away you're setting yourself up for failure. Right away. Now, if you have that perspective of you hop on the charts and you're like, I don't need to trade today. If something comes, awesome. If something doesn't come, awesome. Doesn't matter. So that's that perspective you need to have. I truly believe that perspective right there will change a lot in your trading. Do not hop on with the expectations of, oh, I deserve to have an opportunity today. I deserve to have a trade. I want to trade. I want to look for a trade. Eventually, it doesn't matter if the setup is, what the quality of the setup is, you will naturally force yourself to be involved in the market with that initial perspective. Hey Marco, you're a legend. Since I started using your system from September, I have cleared phase 1, phase 2. Currently on a phase 3, only 1% more need to clear. Now it's all patience till I get a setup. Well done, Fahad. That's awesome news. Literally, that's awesome news. Good stuff. And congrats. Build on that momentum into the new year. Build on it. And do not rush. Even if you have to take 3 weeks to make 1% to pass it, so be it. That's what everybody doesn't understand about this game, guys. He has 1% left on his challenge. Does that mean he needs to be firing trades left, right, and center to pass it? No. No. Patience. If it takes 2 weeks to make 1%, so be it. You have to understand something, guys. Majority of people that are involved in this market do not see green, do not see plus. So if you're in the plus, you're already miles ahead. Miles. So why do you need to be in the plus so quickly? No. Slow, consistent growth. If it takes you 2 weeks, Fahad, to make 1%, so be it, bro. So be it. It's all about patience in this game. Marco, thanks today for today's live stream from the bottom of my heart. Damn, bro. Of course. I always love hopping on with you guys. You guys know this. And I haven't really taken a good look at, I actually haven't looked at the market yet. All I know is gold exploded overnight. That's it. So we're going to have to take a look and see what happened. Marco, which platform is good for new guys? What do you mean by platform? Are you talking about prop firm? Much love, brother. Thanks for streaming today. Didn't expect you to see you today on. Hope you have a great holiday with your family. Damn. I love reading those messages. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, no, just wanted to hop on today. Only stream of the week, chat. Next stream you will see me will be, again, you want to mark these days in your calendar, man. I'm trying to keep you guys updated here. The 28th is going to be a big day for Chart Fanatics. I believe it's going to be done in the Discord like we were talking about before. The 28th. And then I'm back on stream on the 30th. And I'll actually be at home, my home office set up again. So I won't be doing my mobile stream. But it'll be good. I'm pumped, man. I'm excited. I'm excited. We got a lot, dude. The new year is around the corner, and I always get so excited. Just because, like, not even with the perspective of like, oh my God, it's a new year. I want to do new things. Like, no, it's just like, I don't know. Something about it is just like, it's exciting. Like, what can I accomplish in 2026 now? Right? I did all of this in 2025. Now I want to do all of this in 2026. I'm just so excited to like start up, work my ass off, and get right to it. I don't know. There's something about the new year. I'm never that person to be like, oh, new year, new me. And then end of January comes along and you're just like, oh, wait, I haven't done anything. No, it's not like that with me. Like, none of that new year, new me BS. It's just like, I'm just excited to get a bunch of work done again. And to use like, what can I do now in a 12-month span again? So, I'm pumped. You deserve more viewers like 10K, 20K, unlike the gamblers showing only the gambling money. Much love, bro. Does your system work better on futures than Forex? How to recognize A+. My system works equally as good on both markets. It's just, it just works, period. So it depends how you apply it, right? New all-time highs on gold? Is it all-time highs? Yeah, it is. Damn, it is all-time highs. Wow. That's crazy. That is crazy. Chat, don't worry. We got 11 minutes till market open. We're gonna hop into the charts in a moment here. Marco, can you look at AU? We'll look at some charts in a moment. I wish to catch the giveaway. Chat, we always run giveaways end of stream, so hang in. Hang in for a bit. We'll be running giveaways later on. Always some good stuff coming. I don't know what we have for today. I'll have to talk with Anth and he'll let us know what we have to give away today. But usually we give away 2, 3, 4 accounts, so we'll have to wait and see. Please continue live streams daily. I cannot do streams daily, but I will hop on streams as much as I can, brother. As much as I can. How is your lower back pain? Great question, Red Rock. So, today was my first form of exercise in a week and a half. Okay, I've been depressed. I've been sad. I've been jumping off bridges. No, I shouldn't joke around with that. That's insane. I have not been jumping off bridges. I've been upset and I've been in my head because I'm not exercising. So today was the first day back on the exercise grind. I got in 30 minutes of cross training and I can tell you, wow, me not running for a week and a half, I can already feel the cardio I was taking a hit. So, but I got the heart pumping for 30 minutes this morning, which is great. After I'm done streaming with you guys, I'm gonna get onto the weights, do some weight training. And when we're back on it, my lower back pain is minimal now. It's a little bit there, but it's gone down. So I'm gonna slowly make my way back up there, right? So I'm not gonna go full force, but I am gonna work my way back up now, and start and see how my back reacts. If I have to pump the brakes again, then so be it. I will. Okay, chat. Let's hop into some into some charts. Of course, we have our wonderful. Can't speak. Wonderful sponsors over at. Oh, we're looking this way today. Tradezilla. And of course, I don't know if I have the correct. Maybe we don't have the correct sale up. Oh no. But I believe Apex is running 80% off. 80% off at Apex. So, you guys have heard me say it before, but I'll say it again. You want to save money, send your butt over to Apex. Okay? Because they're running these big ass discounts. You got to take advantage, chat. You got to take advantage. And of course, Tradezilla. And then, all you futures, all you Forex traders, you guys always tell, oh, take a look at AUD, USD, Euro, USD. You guys, head over to Funded Next. Oh, is it 70% off right now? Oh, no, it's 80. I just got word it's 80. So don't listen to this picture because I lied to you. It's not 70, it's 80% off. Okay? Cool. Wonderful stuff. We'll hop into some charts. You guys can see my screen, I believe, right? I think you can. Okay, we're all good then. I did it. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, chat, listen up. Let's untick everything here and we'll see what we like and what we don't like. I know I like this, so we're going to keep that checked off. Okay, so we're going to start from the top. Well, actually, we'll start with what is going to be untradeable. And I'll tell you right now, and I'm sorry to break. I'm going to break a lot of hearts right now. All right? And I know a lot of you guys, a lot of the gold minions are not going to like this. Guess what? Gold untradeable right now. Untradeable. We're at all-time highs, chat. You guys know me. Once we get to all-time highs, what does that mean? Pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. Wait. Oh my God. Look who's in chat. Look who's in chat. Wifey in the building. Hi, chat. And look at her little emoji. How do I do that emoji, chat? Oh my God, she's back. She's back. You know what's funny is she's in chat, but she's literally in the same condo I'm in right now. She's not even sitting beside me. Can you believe that? I don't think she likes me anymore, chat. I don't think she likes me anymore. Oh my God, she's looking at me. She's back. She likes me again. Okay, guys. Yeah, like I said, listen, gold is on the back burner, and it does not matter. I don't care what anybody tells me. It is not tradable when it's at all-time highs, because what you're going to be doing is it's a word called, you know what? No, I won't even say gambling. Okay, it's gambling for my system, for how I trade. How I trade, it's gambling right now, because what you're doing is when you're trading price at all-time highs, if you want to buy, you're buying at a high price, right? And why would you want to sell at all-time highs? There's no data to the left. You're kind of just predicting a top, right? And for me, that's no good. So we've smashed all-time highs literally today. Gold will not be tradable. And since we're not trading end of week, I will not see gold until next week probably. And that is just, that's life. W blushing? Yo, chat. You guys make it seem like I've been with this girl for 3 weeks and I'm blushing and stuff. Am I actually blushing?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello, wifey. Good morning. You and Marco and Charlie, another Cairo. Let's go, chat. All right. Gold is on the back burner. Okay. Now let's take a look at NQ. Okay. Look at this weekly close on NQ. I'm telling you guys right now, everybody in stream, listen to me. NQ is going to these highs. I do not care what anybody says. I do not care what anybody says. NQ is going to these highs. Period. Period. Okay. Now, for us to be involved, this is hard price action so far. It's difficult. So I'm going to need to wait a bit. If we can somehow, some way, chat, we get a move down here, it would be clean. So that's what I can see on the 4 hour. I don't see much, man. This is hard. Damn. Maybe down here as well. We'll mark this out. We'll mark this out. We got these okay, so we have some levels to keep an eye on, chat. Okay, we have some levels to keep an eye on. This is difficult so far. I don't know why I got 5 cons open there. My god, I'm gonna blow my account with 5 minis. Okay. Yeah, we got some levels to keep an eye on. I'll have these 2 lines for now, and we'll see what price does around them. I will definitely need open. I need the open to have a sell-off though. Okay, chat? I need the open to have a sell-off. For sure. If the open just goes bullish, bro, this thing is going to be cooked for the day. It's going to be cooked. So, we'll keep an eye on that. You Forex lovers. Aussie, I've been telling you guys, man, damn, I don't have an entry on this thing, and I'm not trading CFDs this week. Oh, look at that higher time frame entry, chat. Damn. Yeah, it's on a move right now. It's on a mission, and there's great targets to the upside. So, Aussie bullish. Aussie, I am bullish. Euro bullish. Okay, is Euro the clean asset to be trading? No, Aussie is way more cleaner in my opinion. Let's see what's good over here. Highs taken out. And we're getting that sell-off right now. Nothing clean on UJ as well. So that's going to be on the back burner. German 40. I do want to see higher prices on German 40. I do want to see higher prices. Where does price need to head to though right now? Oof. Down here, I believe. I'm not sure, man. Let's see. Let's see if we can frame something out. We've taken highs out. This was in London today. Then we got a sell-off to the downside, clearing some lows to the left. Price could go bullish today. Honestly, I'm breaking this down like I'm going to trade. I'm not even trading CFDs right now this week, so. US 30 has a good setup. I see everybody spamming this. Let me see. US 30 does not have a good setup, I don't think. Let me see. Could be wrong here, chat. Let me see. Okay, last week, we're still trading within the prior week's high and low. Don't like that. We are respecting these lows here. Don't like that. Yeah, I don't know about this, chat. I don't know about this. This is not ideal conditions, in my opinion, on US 30. I'm not sure. I really don't like these lows here. All these highs intact, bro. Yeah, too much to keep an eye on US 30. I'm gonna be on the like, in my opinion, plotting on these 2 blue lines, chat. This blue line down here and this one up here, just grabbing highs, grabbing lows. All of this is essentially like no man's land for me. It's just it could go either way. It could really go either way. Yo, Marco, with your trading system, can I only trade Bitcoin and gold to master them? Sure. So be it. Yeah, that's fine. I definitely recommend maybe like 2 to 4 pairs on the list or assets on the list. Can you give a brief summary to your strategy? It's simple to keep it as easy as possible, bro. I just trade liquidity. So, literally, everyone likes to say there's liquidity above every high and low, and that's kind of just like a pure, I don't know if it's a BS theory, but what I like to do is I like to just simply react to where literally what the market communicates to us where liquidity is. So if we have a low set in the market here and price comes down, okay, comes down to this low and moves away, okay, moves away to the upside. What does this tell you? This move from low to high. This tells you that there's liquidity left at these lows. There's buyers in the market here, right? Perfect. So I literally let the market communicate towards me that there is liquidity at this low. I didn't have to guess, nothing. I let this low print, move away. Now I understand there's liquidity below this low. That right there is a summary to my system in a very, like in a nutshell. Marco, you say in your videos you treat stock open as news, so it is mandatory to wait after the stock open, even if opportunity shows before. The only time I'm ever taking, and I've talked about this actually many times on stream, the only time I'm taking an entry before stock open, typically it's a higher time frame entry. So if stock open comes in and it goes in drawdown a bit, my higher time frame entry covers me. Giveaway only for active chat and best questions? What? No. Giveaways are for anybody in chat, anybody in the family. All right, stock opens come in here, chat. Let me see. Nothing too interesting. Little 1 minute sell off, maybe a 1 minute continuation. I am bullish on NQ, chat. I want to be taking buys. Okay? But look what we're doing right now. We're going bullish, and I'm not going to be buying at highs. I need a price to come down lower. You mean 200 plus fake accounts? I am leaving? Hey Zomu, you know what? Let me do you a favor. Let me just remove you personally. That's easy for me. Mods, if you can just get rid of Zomu for me, that'd be perfect. There we go. I don't want you in here anyways. You're looking different today. What do you mean by that? You think I'm looking good today, don't you? Oh my god, wifey said handsome. Now I'm gonna blush. Oh my god. Sir, I am new here, so where can I learn your strategy? Okay, I'm glad you asked. We have a 2-hour long video on the Chart Fanatics YouTube channel. Guess what? For free. For free. So, mods, spam that 2-hour long video for this kind individual in chat for me, because he wants to watch some content on how we trade. And it's all for free. And it's 2 hours long. Go and enjoy it. You got tan, bro, looking good? Come on, Mr. Diego. Let's go, brother. There it is, though. YouTube video is in chat. Okay, NQ's giving us a sell-off, chat. Hold the phone. See what happens here. We're getting a sell-off right now. We have a couple different lows to keep an eye on. I'm getting an encoding overload. Hopefully the stream isn't lagging for you guys. Marco, put tattoo on bald. Bro, what? Come on, man. Put tattoo on bald? You want me to tattoo this? Are you insane? Show some example for entry after liquidity sweep, please. Rexy, first of all, no streaming and no spamming. We don't do that over here. Second of all, do yourself a favor and go watch the 2-hour long video we have on the Chart Fanatics YouTube channel. All right. Today I finished the 5K in 15 minutes. Chad, is he lying? Do you guys understand how elite a 5K run is in 15 minutes? Chat, is Sharon lying to us? What do you think when you see a gap up on futures? Do you think most likely the gap will be filled? It all depends on circumstances, bro. All depends. All depends. Look at this thing right now. It's made perfect equals with this low we've drawn on. It all depends. It's not just because there's a gap doesn't mean the market's going to magically gravitate to it. No, there needs to be a reasoning we're going to head to it. Sorry, Marco, no need to tattoo. You look cute. You're going to get me in trouble. Wifey's not going to enjoy that comment. She's giving me the look right now. She's giving me the look. Marco, I'm starting my running journey tomorrow. Any tips? You know what, Wonder? My first tip is don't start tomorrow. Start today. Second of all, take it easy at the beginning. Take it easy. Build consistency. Build mileage. Do not magically just jump to 10K runs and then all of a sudden you're doing 15K runs. No, you're just going to get injuries. So build mileage. My best advice is 10% more mileage every single week. So if you start off with 10 kilometers this week total, do 11 kilometers next week. Okay? And then from 11, do 10% of that, and so on and so forth going forward. The problem is a lot of people that start running, they get injured really quickly because they ramp up their mileage too quickly. They start running too hard too quickly, and that's when problems occur. All right, chat. Little move down on NQ. I will not be taking any sort of entries as of yet. We are respecting lows. These lows down here, this region, where my crosshair is. Let's see what happens. Ideally, I'd like to see maybe price up to these highs. We get a spike up and continuation lower. Okay, we get a punch above these highs and then sell off lower. Maybe, we'll see. That's an idea right now. Only thing I can see, just as of right now, off the back of stock open, 1 minute sell off, right? We're 7 minutes into the open. Nothing too pretty as of yet. Hey, Marco, your Christmas decoration is missing the letter S. You look cute, though. Chat, I'm married. Stop this. Stop this. Stop this look, now wifey's involved in chat. Now wifey is involved in chat. I don't know what you guys are setting me up for trouble, man. Euro USD, I'm bullish on, bro. I'm bullish, but it is ugly. So my best advice is maybe steer clear, but if you want to trade it, my idea is bullish. Maybe line it up with that. Where can we be founded this week? Or I don't know what that means. What is your time for 5K? My quickest time is 19 minutes. To be honest with you, I haven't raced a 5K in a long time. In my peak fitness before I got injured, I probably could have done like a mid 18, high 18, maybe like an 1845-ish. In between 1830, 1845, I think I would have had when I was before I got hurt. I'm getting my shoes tomorrow, actually. That's why I'm going to get the Run app, track the kilometers. No, don't get the Run app. You need to get Strava. Mr. Wonder, you need to get Strava. Strava. And you need to follow me on Strava. Okay? Chat? If you guys are on Strava, you know what to do. 1 second. 1 second. Here we go. There's my Strava. Follow me on Strava. I got you. That's where we track the runs. That's where we track the fitness. That's the fitness journal. Married men can look cute too. Yo, Tiger. Marco, I took tens of losing trades assuming a level is a liquidity block, but when I watched your recent trade, I love the idea of a continuation trade. It confirms it. There you go. Find what resonates with you. Find what you enjoy and stick with it. That's no problem. Everybody trades differently at the end of the day. If you guys have the foundation, the same foundation of like a liquidity perspective, that's fine. But then you got to tweak it and you got to refine it. See what you enjoy. Maybe you like entering the market this way. Maybe you like having tighter stops. Maybe you like having bigger stops. You can't really deal with a lower hit rate, so you want bigger stop losses for a higher hit rate, right? These are all things you need to figure out as a trader. Right? You can't just copy John because John is making money. No, what John's doing might not work for you. Okay? Maybe what Jimmy's doing might not work for you. So you got to put the time in. You got to figure out what you enjoy, what works for you, and stick with it. I just read the most absurd comment I've ever read in my life, and I can't read that out. Marco, what's your age? You look 22. Yo, that's a compliment right there. That's a compliment. That means, yo, I'm feeling good this morning then. I'm turning 30 next year, chat. I don't want to talk about it, man. I'm turning 30. That's insane. I'm already done my 20s. Next week, can we see you live on YouTube? Yes, you can, Sahad. Thank you for asking. Next Tuesday, I am live on Chart Fanatics for just that week, because then it's New Year's, man. These 2 weeks, it's gonna be slow. Okay, it's gonna be slow these next 2 weeks, but you work with me here. Work with me. Next 2 weeks are gonna be a little bit slow. This week is a little broken. Next week's a little broken. Then the following week, schedule resumes. Routine resumes. Okay, what date is that going to be? Let me just check the calendar for next year. All streams go back to normal on the week of the 5th, Monday the 5th of January. Then I'll be on stream on the 6th. Then I'll be on stream on the 8th. And then regular programming going forward. Yo, this guy just said, damn, Unk. Yo, gift Carson, bro. You can't be calling me Unk. Someone said I look 22, and now you're calling me Unk. Come on, man. What do you think about German longs? I do think German 40, 30, whatever you want to call it, goes long. Fortunately, I'm not trading Forex right now, because I just don't want to be trading. I like trading Forex for higher time frame moves, and there ain't no higher time frame moves to catch this week because of the holidays. Excuse me. If we get entry confirmation, first partial TP would be 25,880. 25,880. Hold the phone. Yo. Who said that? Alina. Yo, you're onto something. You're onto something. Great eye. Yes, it would be the high from the left-hand side. 25,880. Good stuff. That makes me happy. That means you're listening. Your fave pair. My fave asset to trade. Honestly, chat, if I had to choose one, it might be gold. It might be gold. The thing is, does that mean I'm always trading gold? No, I understand when it's tradable and when it's not. When it is tradable and when it isn't. Right now, it's not. But it may be my favorite. I think it's because that's the asset I've performed the best on. I've made the most on. So naturally, my mind goes to that asset. So this live becomes all about Marco's personal life. Marco is more than a trader. I'm glad you see me as more than a trader. That means a lot. That means a lot. All right, let's see. NQ is building at the lows. My bet is chat. We're gonna get a spike above these highs and a continuation lower. Spike above, sell off lower. How do we get involved in it? We're gonna have to wait and see. We're gonna have to wait and see. Check UJ M15. There might be a long opportunity coming up. I do not like UJ. We scoured through all the FX pairs right now. The only asset I'm really confident on the higher time frames is AUD USD. But look at this daily candle on the Monday. Look at this move already on the Monday. All right, you have 10 lots on this thing. You're already up 5K today, just from today's move. NQ will give an entry. We'll see. We're ready. We're ready. I have my copier on, I believe. Yes, we're good. We're good, chat. We're good. How does the high to the left influence your current bias on the chart? No, it's not influencing my bias at all. The bias actually stems from us leaving all these highs intact, and now we're trading towards them. Okay, this is a draw on liquidity for me. I've been saying it for a lot of time now, however long, that we are going to come back up and take these highs out. So is that going to happen today? I don't think so. It's quite far. Is it going to happen tomorrow? I don't think so. It will happen sooner or later. So that's why I'm looking for buys, okay, to line myself up with that. The high to the left-hand side that we marked out here at 25,880. If you look at this from a seller perspective for a moment, look, if I just put this red box at this whole area here, look, price is tapping into this area. Okay, you can grab this whole imbalance if you want, however you want to draw it. But we're tapping into this area, and this is going to be regions sellers want to take this thing lower. Okay, and that's why we're getting reactions right now. So I understand that. So if we react off it, which we already have, we are building liquidity up at 25,880. Simple. You see how everybody likes to overcomplicate things, bro. Look, this high is starting to react off these areas to the left-hand side. So price is literally, the chart is literally confirming, it's communicating to us that we are building liquidity above this high. Boom. Done. Simple. That's it. Sent the follow on Strava. Let's go, Mr. Wonder. Welcome to the Strava family. I have my birthday on January 1st. Damn. Solid day for a birthday. Marco, when will you unleash liquidity inducement episode? Like the next episode to the masterclass I've been posting on YouTube? I don't know. Maybe sometime in the new year. I haven't had one recorded yet. So I have literally yesterday, chat. I was doing work yesterday and came up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos, 10 YouTube videos to record. So I have a lot of work. I got a lot of work to do. But I got 10 YouTube videos I wanna record for you guys. Bro, how to deal with news? Listen, if you're a new trader, you wanna know the best way to deal with news? Do not trade it until it's released. Do not trade until the news event is released. That is my best advice. And that is gonna help you tremendously. So listen to me and trust me. I'm here to help. Okay? Hello, Marco. I'm struggling with FX higher time frame, good and bad PA, please. Gogu, I don't know what you want me to say to that, brother. Thoughts on NWOG? Yo, is that like a rap gang? NWOG. What's NWOG? Where's the 2-hour training with your strategy? Mods, I need you. Spam, spam, spam. Let Blue FX snipers know where the video is. It's on Chart Fanatics channel. And you guys are crazy because I believe... One second. What are we at on the viewership on that video now? I don't... Actually, it still blows my mind to this day, chat. Blows my mind to this day. We are at over 460,000 viewers on that YouTube video. 10 videos is crazy. Any psychology related videos? Yes, there is actually 1 or 2 psychology based videos. Okay, NQ above these highs. NQ above these highs. We could easily rock it back up. However, the most ideal situation right now, chat, would be we take out these highs and we sell off. Okay, now this sell-off that can occur, these are not sell-offs I'm typically involving myself in unless the delivery is pitch perfect. So, what do? Pump the brakes, we wait. Yo, chat, who remembers? I went to go back to look at a stream we did on Thursday. Thursday. Those gold longs we took. Rocketed, chat. Look, if we hop back into gold chart for a moment here. That gold long we took on Thursday altogether, I know a lot of you guys took this as well. Where was it? Where was it? I'm slow right now. Here it is. This one right here. Thursday. Yeah, it was here. Over here. Look at this move we ended up getting. 500 ticks. With the benefit of hindsight, yeah, like, oh my god, we could have held up here and closed out so much more money. But hey, we hit our target. Trade analysis was correct. The idea was nice. And that's all we can do. There's always going to be, listen to me closely here. There's always going to be a better entry, a better exit, a better trade management. Like, it's impossible. It's literally impossible to be perfect. So do not think about the what ifs in trading. If you think about the what ifs, you are going to drive yourself insane. Insane. Okay? Our plan was to take the entry where we took the entry. That was perfect. We told ourselves how we could manage the trade. We managed it per the plan. And then where we were targeting, and we closed out our target. That's all we can do. The rest is out of our control. Out of our control. I ain't reading that comment. Chat, 1 second. I just need to get a little bit of breakfast food. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Sure. I'm back, chat. Sorry. Don't hate me. Don't hate me. Bro, you a day trader or swing trader? So, spoke about this a lot on chat. I mean, on stream. I intraday and scalp on futures. I swing trade / whatever, like however you want to define these terms. I swing trade / intra-week trade, I call it, on FX, on CFDs, because I can hold the trades over a couple of days, or if I need to, over a week or two. So I actually trade the swing account options on prop firms on Forex. I downloaded the stream on Thursday and watched it twice. Yo, let's go, Red Rock. That tells me you're hungry, bro. That tells me you want to learn. It's important. Marco, you didn't announce the winner on your Christmas gift away on your Instagram. Actually, we did yesterday. Or sorry, on Saturday. I posted everything. There was 3 winners on story. Wifey be taking care of you real good, bro. Let's go, Damien. Of course she is. That's why she's wifey. Do you trade crypto? I do not. I've talked about this on stream as well. I've only ever had one crypto trade in my life. One crypto spot trade. On that Ethereum bull run we had. But that's it. Do you use Bookmap? I do not. I do not use Bookmap. I want to trade like Godzilla. How can I do? Yo, listen, chat. Some of the comments you guys say are mind-boggling sometimes. You want to trade like Godzilla. How can I do? What? What's that be hanging behind you? It's just it says Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas. How many pairs do you trade, chat? This is always gonna be my watch list on the right hand side. So at the top here is the futures assets I look at: NQ, YM, GC. I'm very, very rarely am I taking trades on YM unless like they're pitch perfect. NQ, YM, GC, which is gold, and then these are all the FX pairs I look at. Isn't that move up inducing early buyers? Yeah, this move's not a move I would ever be involved in, chat. This is not a move I would be involved in. We have respected lows to the left-hand side. This is what I would view as engineered liquidity. So Let's see. It would be ideal to see price respect the highs and sell off below the lows. If not, then look at those lows we've respected. Thought I was coming here to learn about trading. Now I'm here for the comments in chat. Yo, the chat never fails to amaze me, I swear. Marco, why don't you recommend us to scalp FX? Okay, listen up. Good question. Great question, Gogu. I do not recommend scalping FX because of spread, because of slippage. It opens the doors to too many things that are against you as a trader. In futures, you don't see any of that. So scalping, being on the lower time frames, intraday trading is much more favorable in the futures market. I only take trades on CFDs if I'm like taking a higher time frame entry. Again, I'm focusing on the bigger moves. So my stop losses are going to be bigger, yes, but I'm focusing on the longer term moves. I'm not focusing on entering and closing in the same session. I avoid that. That's what I do on futures. That's what I do on futures. And that's why this week I'm not trading FX, because I'm not looking to catch any sort of higher time frame moves. We have Christmas this week. So this is an extremely short week, broken up week. Freezed? Sorry, chat. I'm not, again, apologies. I don't know if everybody here knows, but I'm not at my home setup. So I'm on I'm on vacation with my family. We're all together. So I'm not on my home Wi-Fi. I'm not at the home setup. So this is the mobile setup. I'm on Wi-Fi and stuff. So the internet might be choppy here and there. Apologies. Where is wifey? We feel demotivated without her presence. You know what? That's very true. She's our good luck charm. Oh my God, she's here. Guys, you want to know the actual reason wifey needs to be in chat all the time? Because she's the good luck charm. The more she's here, the more trades we win. It's true. It's true. I'm telling you right now. You guys want to win more trades, you need to have the wife in your presence. All good, Marco. At least you're here, man. Much love, Jonathan. Good to see you in here, bro. Marco, your strategy work day trading or yes, it works for any type of trading. You have to understand, like we said, like I always talk about, the market per my system, per my strategy, it's fractal to all time frames. Meaning, what happens on M1 just happens on H4, happens on daily. The only difference is the amount of time it takes to play out, to get delivered. That's it. Now I'm confused. Is that move inducing buyers? You tell me, bro. You tell me. We have gone long off liquidity. So what does that tell me? That tells me we have built liquidity at the lows here. So there's no longs for me to take. There's no longs for me to take. Okay, and since we had this rapid sell-off, ideally I do not want to be involved in sells. However, if something gets delivered clean on the way down, then yes, we can take it. But again, like I said, I talked about this so many times. The sell is going to be known as like a lower probability move for me. Because it's not pro-biased. It's not with my higher time frame idea. And guys, you know what? A lot of people are like, oh, so what do you do in this scenario? You know what? Guess what? We wait. We wait. Bro, how you married at 22? Chat, I'm not 22. Chat, I'm not 22. I'm turning 30 in April. Yo, are we running a birthday stream? That's the real question. Are we running a birthday stream next year? For the big 30? Oh my God, the big 30. That's pain, chat. That's pain. You have a lot of patience with some of these comments. Yeah, Clifford. It's all good, bro. It comes with it. I know there's many people on here just trying to troll me anyways. I'm long. Elijah, bro. Completely up to you. Completely up to you. All right, chat. We're getting a little bit of a reaction right now. Nothing interesting as of yet. 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Marco, how are you married at 20 years old as a 9'10" billionaire? Teach us your ways. There's just some things that cannot be taught, chat. There's just some things that cannot be taught, and that is one of them. I apologize. I cannot teach you guys how to be a billionaire and how to be 9'10". I'm sorry, Wonder. Marco, what to do if we have multiple liquidity buildups? So, if there is liquidity on both sides of the market, Fahad, my best advice is wait. Pump the brakes. Don't trade. My bad, inexperienced here and got to stream late. No worries, Elijah. What? At the end of the day, bro, everyone in here, if you guys trade, not everybody's going to trade like me. Just because I have a bias doesn't mean it's actually going to happen. There's going to be times, and it's happened in the past, chat. There's going to be times where I'm bullish and price goes bearish. I'm not a fortune teller. It'd be awesome if I was, because I'd be a billionaire and we'd be doing this stream from Lake Como on a yacht. But I'm not. Smarker, your students, we are mostly FX traders. Make a video about how you trade FX in full detail. Gogu, I trade the same. All I do is use the lower time frames for futures and the higher time frames for Forex. That's it. Oh my God, chat. Wifey got me breakfast. God bless her. One second, chat. This food is staring at me in the face. Yo, I don't know, chat. I don't know if you guys can believe this or not, but my brother is down here on vacation with the family as well. And he told me last night when we were going to bed that he was going to wake up early in the morning and come do cardio with me before stream. He didn't. He slept in. So everybody needs to roast him now. And the only reason I'm doing this is because it's going to better him. And then tomorrow morning, he's going to wake up and go do cardio with me. And then he's going to say, thank you, Marco. That was awesome. You know, chat, I always look out for the family. I'm back. My bad. I'll just get on my breakfast together. Marco, how was live today? The live is going good, brother. Appreciate you. Where is vacation? My whole family, we all met up down in Florida. Actually, we're waiting for my sister to fly in as well. We're down in Florida on the West Coast. On the West Coast, chat. All right, let's see what NQ does here. Hold the phone. Maybe we can get a little bit of a continuation. Chat, I might need to buy a more powerful laptop for these streams. Damn. Might need a MacBook Pro. Around Juan, great question. Juan is asking, around what time are you done looking at the charts? Oh my God, look guys, chat, look at the minion. XAU USD please, XAU USD please, XAU USD please, XAU USD please. Guess what? We're gonna do what we usually do. Ban you. See you later, Bakash. All right. What was I answering before I was rudely interrupted by Bakash? What time are you done looking at the charts? Juan, great question, bro. I wrap up my trading usually around 11 a.m. Usually around 11 a.m. But the only time you'll see me on the charts after that, usually if it's I'm already in a trade. I'm already in a position and I'm managing it, or it's not at target yet, etc. Are you checking out houses in Florida? Are you already decide where you will move to? Did you already decide where you'll move to? Yes, eventually me and wifey will probably move down to Florida. We love it down here. I'll never understand the people that just come in streams and just spam. Because the thing is, they don't understand. I don't understand how they don't understand. I don't understand why they don't understand. See that? That when they come in and they spam, I'll never do what they ask if they spam. Never. So why do they do it? It's crazy. I don't comprehend it. Yes, Marco, never thought of visiting Morocco. I have not. I've actually heard great things about Morocco, to be honest with you. I'm in Fort Lauderdale. I love it. Bro, Brett, Florida is my favorite place. It's my number one spot to live for sure. I love it down here. Another big reason, chat, is because I've been in the cold weather for one too many years now in Canada. The snow, the wind, the winter months, it's terrible, man. It's terrible. Elijah, you're long biased, right? Quick explanation why, pretty please. I know why you want this. It's because you're in a long position right now and it's close to your entry. Brother, I don't want to look to along this market unless the lows are taken out. I'm looking at this as all build up in the market. This is all price just building. Every time I write on these charts, the stream is lagging. This is not good. Damn. I might need to buy another laptop for this. This is so difficult. Marco, why you not consider the low from the left? That's what I am. I am, chat. I am considering that. For me, 2025 went terrible. Marine engineer, my brother. If it went terrible, and it went terrible due to circumstances that were in your control, identify why and fix up for the new year, bro. That's it. Understand, guys, that every failure in life, every loss in life, whether that's on the charts or just life in general, always yields a lesson in some way, shape, or form. It's your job to turn that mistake, to turn that failure into a lesson, though, and grow from it. Guys, that's the only, it's crazy, but people will never wrap their mind around this. Is the only way you can actually grow as an individual is to fail. So fail, keep failing, make mistakes, learn from them. You will grow into a better person, into a better trader, into a better husband or wife or whatever you want to be better at in life. Make mistakes, you will grow. Do not be afraid to fail. That is the only way to get to the top. That is the only way to be a better individual. Or to be better in whatever industry you're in. Is to make mistakes, is to fail and just continuously grow. Make a mistake, learn why, grow. Repetition, over and over and over. What advice would you give to beginner traders asking for a friend? Take your time. Take your time. Soak in as much information as possible. Find a strategy that resonates with you. Stick with it. Gather data. Don't dump money in all at once. Learn the skill, okay? Apply the skill to to a high degree of quality. Okay, do not focus on the dollar amounts. The dollars will come. It's inevitable if you apply your plan, a profitable plan and a profitable system over a longer period of time. If you consistently look at that dollar amount, that figure in in your trading account, and you're trading based off that balance in your account, you will never see profitability in this market. Trade the charts in front of you. Trade the edge. Do not trade the account balance. Number one lesson for me, patience. There you go. I liked what you said. Much love. Let's go, Red Rock. Try and fail, then not trying at all, said by Andrew Tate. Amen. Marco, in December, I saw your videos on YouTube for liquidity and training the eyes. Now I just passed my second phase. I love IET. Much love, bro. And congratulations. Only the beginning. Only the beginning. Keep at it. Stay consistent. Hey, Samir. You said it right there. Guys, everybody look at what Samir said. Motivation is a myth. What truly drives success is discipline and consistent action. It's so true. It's so true. Everybody's like, oh, I lack motivation. You don't lack motivation. You lack discipline. Okay? If you promise yourself to do something and you continuously let yourself down by not doing what you promise yourself to do, whether that's going to the gym, whether that's going on a run, or whether that's even just showing up and back testing on the charts, you continuously tell yourself you're going to do it, but you don't do it, that means you have a lack of discipline in your life. Or let's say you continuously tell yourself, oh, I want to eat better. I want to cut certain things out of my diet. Yet, let's just say you open the cupboard, there's those chips, there's that ice cream in the freezer, and you always grab it to eat it. You have zero discipline. You have zero discipline. For now, we are going for lows. Will we go for confirmation entry? There's no entry right now, Tiger. Guys, I always tell everybody in these streams, I will let you guys know when I'm starting to look for an entry. I promise you. Have I ever taken a trade behind your guys' backs? Have I ever? Tell me one stream. No, every trade I've taken has been with you guys. And the sell-off has occurred, chat. The sell-off has occurred. However, no entries. And that's fine. What made you put that specific low in blue line not above or below? I've identified a buildup. I plotted this line on. Look at this did here. We have respected it and gone bullish. So we have built liquidity at the lows. Hey Marco, why do you trade the 1 minute? I thought you don't trade the 1 minute. I have never said I don't trade the 1 minute. I've said in the past, I'm usually trading the 5, 15, but I've never said I don't trade the 1 minute. Yo, Wonder, it's insane, bro. Marco, can you believe it's been 4 months since the stream started? It feels like forever. CF Live was the best thing this year for real, life-changing. Honestly, bro, it's crazy. And yes, I did realize it was 4 months because I literally just thought about this the other day. It's crazy how quick time flies. It's been incredible, man. It's been an incredible year. I'm so excited for future projects with CF. There's so much planned, like you guys have no idea. Like next year, there's gonna be London streams. There's gonna be a lot. There's a lot planned. Did a quick scalp of 150. Let's go, bro. Is addiction to trading a good thing? I mean, I guess it depends, like, what you really mean by that. Like, are you addicted to taking trades? Like, you need to take trades? Hell no, that's a terrible thing. Are you addicted to showing up to the charts and, like, putting in work, studying? I think that's a great thing. You need to learn how to control that, though. Like, if that leaks into into the aspect of you want to trade and you need to trade every single day because you're addicted, no, that's terrible. It's terrible because that's not the perspective. Look how I show up to the charts, guys. Am I looking to take a trade every single day? Hell no. Hell no. Listen, if sometimes, so be it. The charts will provide a lot of opportunity in a week's time. It's happened and it will happen again. Does it always do that? No. Has it happened? Yes. So you take it for what it is. I show up to the charts with the perspective. Listen, I show up to the charts with the perspective of, if there's a trade opportunity, cool, I'll take it. If it works out, cool. If it doesn't, cool, doesn't matter, on to the next day. Show up with that perspective every single day. If the charts don't provide me an opportunity, that's fine. Guess what? My life doesn't change. It doesn't. I'm still going to shut off the computer. I'm still going to go to the gym. I'm still going to do this. I'm still going to do that. Guys, you do not need to trade every single day. Don't look to the charts for your hit of dopamine, for your whatever it is. Find that elsewhere. And you know where you should find it? Something called delayed gratification. That's where you should find your actual dopamine. Go to the gym, rip some cardio, lift some weights. That's called delayed gratification. That's where you should be getting your dopamine from. Keep doing the train your eyes vids. They are great. I love doing those vids, chat. I love doing those YouTube videos. Truly love doing those videos because I know they yield a lot of value for you guys. Through my experience, I've noticed that the best way people learn and pick up systems, pick up strategies is repetition. Training the eyes is what I call it. So that's why I've called that series on YouTube Training the Eyes. And I'm repeatedly showing you how I trade over and over and over. Just building those reps in the eyes. So important. So important. Marco, you mark out the high. Why is that the high and the candle above it is not the high? The mic, what do you mean, bro? Marco, do you know Matthew Wyme? I do not. Chat, overall, look at the higher time frame. It tells you the picture. It tells you the story. Look. Look at these lows. I've just plotted on this blue line for a lower time frame. That's it. You could even honestly even mark on these if you wanted to. Do you meditate or have any mental routines? I do not, actually. For my mental, you want to know what I do for my mental? To get my mind right, to get my head right, nothing beats running for me. Especially when I go out for runs on my own. And it's just me and my mind, me and my thoughts. That's when I, yeah, it does wonders for the mental, in my opinion. Marco, you look bald. Wow. Do I actually? No. There's no way. Chat, do I actually? Bro, that might have been the most obvious comment I've ever read in my life. Now that guy's tripping, your head is full of hair. Chat, I'm getting fully trolled this morning now. I'm getting fully trolled. What are you guys saying to me? World's best strategy has created Marco. Much love from India. Your strategy in 3 steps. Who's induced on higher time frame? If buyers induce, I need to see liquidity below. If sellers induce, I need to see entry liquidity at the highs. Yeah, that's a good way of putting it. It's like a nutshell of it, I guess. What do you tell yourself to stay locked in? What do I tell myself? I don't know, man. Like even this morning, I was doing cross training, and it was hard cross training. Like it wasn't easy effort. My beats per minute got up to like 170 at the end. So I was almost in threshold territory. Cross training in threshold is not fun. If you guys have ever done it, if you do it, you'll know what I mean. Cross training in threshold heart rate is not fun. So once you get to that point, if you're like, holy shit, this sucks, you're doing something difficult. And you know what happens when you do something difficult? It yields growth. Good things come when you do difficult things. Mentally, you overcome those barriers of, no, stop whatever you're doing right now. It's too hard. It's too difficult. You overcome those thoughts. You know what that does? It instills discipline in your mind. I'm like, when I do these hard runs and I go to the gym every single day, I do all these things. It's not easy, guys. It's never easy. There's a lot of times where I don't want to. But just because I don't want to, does that mean I don't do it? That's bullshit. That's not the way of life you want to go. It's bullshit. Marco, I'm a really big fan of learning your strategy. It helps me seeing the market clearly. I'm from Ghana. Much love, Joe. I appreciate the kind words. It's good to know that I'm helping you out in some way, shape, or form. Sorry, excuse me, chat. I was just dusting off the last of my breakfast. I have to get some fuel in me because we got to go gym soon. Is Apex actually paying out? Listen, this goes for any sort of company that we work with, guys. Think about this for a moment. Us at Chart Fanatics, we will only partner with the best companies out there, with the companies with reputation, longevity, companies that we trust. I promise you, we would not be pushing these brands if they were not legit, if they were not the best at what they do. Okay, Tradezella. And then, of course, you have Apex and Funded Next. Guys, these are great, great firms. And you can achieve a lot with these guys. So, again, we will only ever push the best. Marco, what was your number? This is a great question, Red Rock. Marco, what was your number one repetitive mistake besides being impatient? My number one repetitive mistake I was making over and over and over. You know what it was? This happened for like a year. This happened when I started making money, but it was never continuous. It was never over the course of a long period of time. I'd make money, I'd blow up. I'd make money, blow up. I'd never have that continuous profitability. And I'll tell you why. Very, very, very important, okay? I did not know how to lose. I did not know how to be a good loser. Think about that for a moment. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys something. Everybody, does not matter what strategy you trade, what system you trade, will take losses, okay? Everybody will take losses. Now, with that knowledge... Sorry, guys, 1 second. With that knowledge... You have to tell yourself that losing is completely normal. Therefore, if you do take losses... 1 second, chat. Oh, never mind, we're all good. Therefore, if you do take losses, you have to tell yourself it's completely normal. Everyone does. It's a part of the game. It's impossible to be perfect in this industry. It's impossible to be perfect in this game. So, learn how to take a loss. Learn how to take a loss and shut the computer off. Learn how to take a loss straight to the chin, and you tell yourself, that's fine. On to the next day, on to the next week. Learn how to be a good loser. That right there will change a lot of people. You'll see a lot more progress as soon as you learn how to take a loss. Okay? You guys have seen me take losses on stream. Now, do I tweak out? Do I go, oh my God, like, why do the charts hate me? Like, this is impossible. And I start blaming everything on the charts. Guess, you know what happens when you do that? You'll blow up. You'll break your rules. You'll go off plan. You'll go into this little twister effect of taking random trades all over the place, revenge trading, over risking, blah, 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 because you do not know how to take a loss. Hey Marco, I just got a new cell phone from Profits. It's not much, but knowing that that can pay is a great deal for me. Thanks, man. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's just the start. It truly is. What's your dream lifestyle outside of trading, Marco? What do you really mean by that? Like, what do I love doing? Like, what's my dream kind of thing to do? Spoil my family? Like, give back to other people as much as I can? Marco, is it too good to be true to get 5% a month from 3 times 150K accounts? I mean, yeah, you're asking a lot for sure. To make 5% every single month, it's not realistic. It isn't realistic. And I don't care what anybody says. I don't care about Johnny on Twitter that says, oh, I smash 10R every single day. I can promise you, Johnny is not smashing 10R every single day. Matter of fact, I'll put my life savings on it. I'll put every dollar I have, every asset I own, into betting that Johnny is not doing 10R every single day. Okay? Johnny is in fact lying. What a surprise. Guys, the best traders in the world don't do it. So why the hell would Johnny on Twitter do it? Chat, we got some slow ass PA right now. To be expected, man. It is Christmas week and this laptop is absolutely freezing all over the place, chat. Oh my God. Whenever you guys see it's freezing, I'm sorry, I apologize. Nothing I can do, man. I'm just gonna have to throw this laptop out the window. Garbaggio. I'll give it to the wife and go buy a MacBook Pro. I need more power. This thing is too... Yeah, I don't know. Something to think about. Marco, I have a fear of taking a trade. Any solution? You know what, Tesfa? That's completely normal. It's completely normal. I went through that at the very beginning. A lot of people go through it. The only way to overcome that fear of taking a trade is to take trades. That's it. And now I'm not saying show up the chart, take trades left, right, and center. Boom, boom, boom. No, don't do that. You need to have a plan, of course. So you have your checklist. You need this to happen. You need this to happen. You need this to happen. Take the trade. Boom. No ifs, ands, buts, no excuses. The more you do that, the easier it'll get to take trades. That's it. There's no shortcut. There's no just do this. No. You have to do it over and over and over. It will get easier over time. It's inevitable. That's just the nature of life. Bro, what is your one goal in life? My one goal in life. Well, I don't know, like, not to get cheesy, but just give back to my family as much as possible. That's it. That's the number one goal. And then to have a family one day. Of course. My own family. What MacBook are you using as of now? I'm using the new Air, the Air that came out this year, MacBook Air. But yeah, it doesn't have that much power. It doesn't have that much RAM, I believe. So right now I'm streaming on it. I have a lot of stuff open at once, so it is lagging the stream up a little bit, unfortunately. So yeah. Donate me your laptop. Come on, man. I worked hard for this laptop. Red Rock, please, my bro. Stop sending the same thing over and over. We've talked about this in previous streams. Marco, love the strategy you use. Not only that, every time you're on stream, I'm learning the patience as well. Thanks, my man. SPX, much love, bro. And it makes me happy to know that other people are learning value other than like the technical side of trading, right? Like the thing about patience, discipline, all these things I'm talking to you guys about off the charts. Like this is the reality of trading. This is all the truth. This is all important stuff. And it's good to know that some of you guys are listening to that. Giveaway of Marco's MacBook signed by... Yo, what are the mods? What is Ant saying? Who said that? Love and respect from India. Much love right back to you, my brother. Much love right back. I appreciate you. I wish there was an option that people couldn't copy and paste messages into chat. Need more processing power for streams? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Tendra. I need more power for sure. But hey, it is what it is right now. I'm on the go, so this is only like the third time I've streamed away from home. So it's inevitable I'm gonna run into some problems. But I'm noticing that every single time I'm moving on my trading view, my streaming platform is lagging. So hey, will there be a giveaway today? Yes, sir. There's a giveaway every single stream. And Anthony will let us know what we're giving away today. So I'll wait for him to tell me, and then I'll tell you guys. Oh, he's already told us, actually. We're going to be doing Apex, Funded Next, and TradeZella giveaways today. So we got 3 beautiful giveaways today. Okay? Thank you for the advice, bro. I appreciate it. Of course, man. That's what I'm here for. I always love talking trading. I always love talking life, giving you guys as much value as I can through personal experiences. Apex is banned in my country. It's unfortunate. You got to move then. I'm afraid to take on the real challenge. How do I get started? My 2 cents is you guys can demo, like at the very beginning of the journey, guys, when you're learning new systems and you want to apply it, it's important to demo trade a little bit at the beginning, a little bit, just to apply the system. Then you need to actually put skin in the game, in my opinion. What does that mean by skin in the game? Buy challenges. Now, am I saying go buy the most biggest and expensive challenges? No. Go buy yourself, like on the CFD side of things, go buy a 5K account. Go buy a 10K account. Okay, they're cheap. They're cheap. And then use the discounts. A lot of these firms run discounts. Take advantage. Buy these small accounts. Put some skin in the game so you guys start using more psychology. Okay, you learn more about yourself. And then scale. Okay, buy big. Once you pass those small accounts, buy bigger accounts. Okay, you want to build those just like a ladder. You want to climb from the bottom all the way to the top, right? So buy those small accounts, pass them, work your way up to those bigger accounts, etc. Marco, do you have any specific filters to take best possible LB? I don't know what that means. I bought TradeZella yearly subscription yesterday. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the TradeZella family. You are going to love your time here within TradeZella. Man, the best platform, the best tool out there for the new trader, for the experienced trader, for every type of trader. Why are you not replying to me, Marco? I'm not replying maybe because there's a bunch of messages and I'm trying to get to all of them, bro. I'm sorry, chat. Like, I'm not superhuman. I get to as many comments as I can, and I'm trying to look at a chart. Like, listen, if I don't look at the chart, then I'm going to have people in chat going, oh, Marco, why aren't you doing this on the chart? Listen, guys, I try my best over here. I'm sorry. I got messages in chat. I'm trying to look at the chart and see if there's opportunity for us. There's a lot going on, right? Lows are now taken, though. Lows are now taken. Bro, were you always a confident kid or were you camera shy? I'm thinking of starting my YouTube channel and would love some advice from you. Good question, Shahid. I was actually terrible on camera. But guess what? Just like anything in life, the more you do something, the better you will get at it. So yes, there was early pieces of content where I was in front of the camera talking on the mic and I just sounded like an idiot. And that's fine. It's inevitable. Not everybody is going to be a natural, just like at the beginning when you do something for the first time. No, but the more I did it, guess what? You just get better. You get comfortable. That's it. My best advice is just start. Just start. And NQ is showing bearishness right now, chat. We are below the lows though. So listen, the lows are gone. We called all that. But yeah, no shorts for us to take. And look at this. How many times, chat, have I told you guys this? Listen to me. I'm bullish overall, right? We talked about this. I want to see price to the upside. However, there's going to be bearish moves that occur. Of course, pullbacks, retracements, whatever you want to call them. These moves typically are not moves I trade. Why? Because it tends to leave liquidity. And look at this. We have left liquidity here. We have left liquidity here. It does it on purpose. Why? Because eventually this is going to be a future target now for us to target back to the upside. Okay, I hope you guys are starting to see this. Like I've spoken about this a bunch of times. And hopefully you guys are starting to pick up on what I'm telling you. We need to clone you, Marco. One for chat and one for chart. I'm trying, chat. I'm trying. All right. Let's see what we got here, chat. So price did come into the gap. The weak opening gap, whatever you want to call it. And we're seeing a little bit of a reaction right now. Let's keep an eye. Maybe we can catch a little bit of a long now. We've left some internal liquidity, which is something to keep an eye on. Let's plot a blue line right here. Boom. See what happens, chat. Do you only trade prop firms or both prop firms and personals? As of right now, I do have personal accounts set up, but I'm not actively trading. I trade prop firms only right now. Time to binge watch all of your videos till the new year. Now that the market will be slow, LOL, gotta train those eyes. Let's go, Jonathan. I hope you have a good holiday as well, bro. So Marco, you don't counter trend. So I don't call it counter trend. The easiest way of me explaining it is my bias, my idea is to the upside. So I won't look for anything against that. So like a counter bias idea. Sorry, I shouldn't say I don't look for anything. I sometimes I will take a sell if I'm overall bullish. But you guys have heard me say it before. I'll say it again. It has to be like pitch perfect clean. Like I have to love it. Because automatically those moves will be categorized as a low probability move for myself. Just, again, this is how I trade, man. That's it. Dark mode or light mode? You know what? I don't know. What have I been using? I'm thinking, yeah, I've been rocking dark mode for a while on my phone and stuff. But I'm light mode on TradingView. So, I don't know, man. I'm all over the place, I guess. When is the next Marco live stream? Chat, listen up. Next stream is going to be on the 30th. December 30th will be my next stream. Back from the home office. So that'll be the next time I stream after today. But listen, I told you guys before, write this down. December 28th, there is something big happening at Chart Fanatics. So keep an eye out on the social media. Keep an eye out in the Discord. December 28th, there is some big stuff happening. So keep an eye out. I'm going to give you a hint. It rhymes with giveaways. A lot. Soundboard spam on December 30th. We'll be back with the soundboard on December 30th. So we'll have to be spamming that guy. That's classic. That's inevitable, chat. That's inevitable. Greetings from Uzbekistan. I've learned a lot from you. Thank you. Much love, bro. Yo, bro, does NQ not fill up the gap, then move like gold, or does it just move and leave them? Like, are you talking about filling the whole gap? I'm not sure. Doesn't have to. Doesn't have to, in my opinion. Excuse me, chat. December 28th during New York Open time. There's no time yet. I'll let you guys... Well, I won't let you guys know. That's why I said keep an eye on social media. Keep an eye on the Discord. All right, we're getting a little bit... NQ, someone said NQ blasted. We've had one 1 minute candle that went up. All right. Man holding it down as always. I'm trying, chat. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. We're getting close to 11 o'clock though, chat. We're going to have to be running these giveaways shortly. NQ has to come close to 11 o'clock, of course. Okay, chat, this is what we're going to do. For now, we are going to start organizing the giveaway. So, for today's giveaway, we are giving away Apex, Funded Next, and TradeZella. Okay? Okay, Apex, Funded Next, and TradeZella. And the way you can enter today's giveaway is going to be typing a specific word in chat. And that word is going to be !holidays. Holidays with an S on the end. This is how you enter today's giveaway. We are going to, again, chat, we're going to be giving away Apex, Funded Next, and TradeZella. And here's the leg. Oh, is it? This is the giveaway, chat. Enter in !holidays. Type it once, guys. You type it more than once, you'll get timed out. All right, listen to me. Listen. You type it more than once, you will get timed out, and guess what? You won't receive the winnings. Type it once, only once. It ain't hard, chat. It really ain't hard. Listen. Type the word once. I'm trying to help you here, man. I know a lot of you guys are like, yo, fuck this guy. I'm typing it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. If you do that, that's fine. Guess what? You'll get timed out, and then you can't win it. Oh, oops. Sorry. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oops. All right, chat. I'm going to give you guys 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. I need to bottle your patience. You will get it, my bro. You will get it. It's all about your approach to the charts, guys. If you approach the charts every single day thinking you're going to take a trade, guess what? You will end up taking a trade. It's inevitable. If you approach the charts understanding, okay, I don't have to take a trade. Okay, if something comes, great. If something doesn't matter. Whatever. On to the next day. That is the approach you need. !holidays in chat. All right, we're going to cut it there. We are going to cut it there, chat. No more No more entries. Okay. Now, listen, if you continuously type it, guess what? You're going to get timed out. You're going to get sat on the bench. So right now, your guys are getting timed out for 5 seconds. However, what it's going to change is to longer than that, and then you guys can't win your giveaways. I'm sorry, that's just how it works. I don't want no spamming. It's 1 entry per person. When you type it twice, you don't even enter twice. That's the funny part. You still enter just once. All right. Let me organize this quickly, chat. Here we go. All right, chat. Here we go. We're going to drag this over to you guys. Uh-oh. Hopefully you guys can see. Are we good? We're good. Okay, cool. Listen, chat. First giveaway is going to be for Apex, a free Apex account. All right, chat, lock in. It's lagging. Bear with me. All right, the first winner is going to be little B underscore nanny. Congratulations. Congratulations, little B underscore nanny. You have won yourself a free Apex account. Happy holidays from Chart Fanatics to you, little B underscore nanny. Congratulations. Show us a sign of life in chat. Let us know you're alive and well. Little B. There you are. Awesome. Congratulations. Is that AOL internet? No, it's not the internet. It's actually my laptop. It's getting fried right now because of how much stuff is going on. It's not the internet. It is the laptop. Okay, next giveaway is going to be for Funded Next. A free Funded Next CFD account. Chat, listen up. The winner is... boom, CB Mixed. Familiar name, actually. Congratulations, CB Mixed. You've won yourself a free Funded Next CFD account. Congratulations. Again, happy holidays from Chart Fanatics over to you. Wish you nothing but the best. But again, congratulations. Please show us a sign of life in chat so we can give you this account. Thanks, Chart Fanatics. Of course, Little B. Crush that Apex challenge for us. Let's go. CB Mix, there you are. Congratulations, bro. Free CFD, or sorry, free Funded Next account. There you go. All right, chat. On to the last giveaway of the day. It's going to be for a 3-month Tradezilla. 3-month Tradezilla. Let's go. Lock in. 3-month Tradezilla. The winner is... Ferreira F. Daniela. Ferreira F. Daniela. Congratulations. You have won yourself a 3-month Tradezilla subscription. Welcome to the Tradezilla family. Again, please just show us a sign of life in chat. Let us know you're here so you can win, or sorry, you can claim this giveaway. Ferreira F. Daniela, congratulations. Where are you? Ferreira, there you are. Congratulations, you have won yourself 3-month Tradezilla. Awesome. Again, welcome to the Tradezilla family. Chat, that is the giveaways for today. Let's have a little chat before we sign off. All right. Just to go over everything, there is no more streams the rest of this week. Okay, it's the holidays for a lot of people. It's Christmas for many people. The charts is going to be very dead Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So please do not actively look for trades Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I am doing you a favor by telling you this. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, do not trade. Okay, we will not be streaming until next week. However, December 28th, Sunday, December 28th, this coming weekend, we have a lot planned, I believe. Keep an eye out on the socials. Keep an eye out on the Discord. Okay. I got word that there's something big happening on the 28th. So that's all I'm going to say right now. Listen, this is our last stream before Christmas. So I just want to wish whoever's celebrating Christmas, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. To you, to your families, I wish nothing but the best for every single person in here, especially the people, especially the haters, right? The people that come in here and fucking try and piss us off. You know what I mean? I know who it is. But again, I appreciate every single one of you. What a year we have had. What a year. I will see you guys once more before the New Year's, okay? So we won't talk too much about the year yet. We'll save that for the next stream. But again, I love every single one of you. Appreciate all of you guys for hanging with me today, showing up, showing love. Again, another great stream. So again, happy holidays to all of you guys. Merry Christmas to whoever's celebrating it. I will see you guys next Tuesday, the 30th on stream. All right. Trade safe, be safe, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. All the best.